Here's how to replace the battery in your Honda Smart Key. This particular key is from a 2018 Honda CRV. Now to do this, you're going to need a simple flat blade screwdriver, or a butter knife would even work in a pinch. You're also going to need some 2032 batteries. You can check our video description and we'll have links to everything that you'll need. The first step is to remove the mechanical key from the Smart Key. Now if you turn it on its back, you'll notice there's a tiny little switch right here. All that you need to do is push that switch over, and while holding that switch over to the left, go ahead and pull the key out. Now if we take a look at the key and we flip it up to where the mechanical key went, you can see there are two little plastic standoffs right there. Well, they are the perfect spot to fit your screwdriver and then twist to pry the two halves apart. Once that is done, you can simply go ahead and pull the key fob apart. If it doesn't want to come apart because it's the first time you've done it, you can take the screwdriver and very carefully come along the sides and release the clips on either end. You'll want to take care here because you do risk marring the surface along the edge. To remove the battery, there are retainers that hold it in. The ones on the lower side here hold it in, whereas the ones up here are actually designed to allow the battery to be pried out. So those are the ones that are up where the mechanical key goes in. So we should be able to just take our thumbnail along the edge here and pry the battery out. Now we'll simply come in with our new battery, making sure to have the positive facing up. On these coin cell batteries, the positive is the flat top side, whereas the bottom side, with evidence of the crimp, is the negative side. Now installing the new battery is very simple. We're just going to slide it in to those retainers on the bottom. And then we're simply going to push down on the top side until it clips in. And that's it, our battery is installed. Now we're just going to take the back cover, make sure we have it lined up the correct way. And we're just going to work our way around and push it back together. Now simply take the mechanical key, slide it back in, and push it till it clicks. And just like that, you've replaced the battery in your Honda Smart Key. Now you're going to want to check the owner's manual for your specific vehicle. Make sure that the battery size is a 2032. Again, this is for a 2018 CRV, but most of the styles of Smart Keys like this should use the same battery. Still, it's best to validate in your owner's manual before you purchase something. We'll go ahead and link to Honda's website where you can select your make and model and see your owner's manual. Hopefully you found this quick video helpful. Go ahead and drop us a like and a subscribe, and we'll have more here on Vortex Garage.